Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking prerequisites and taking immediate action. You must back up accessible files now because some fixes erase data. Once done, open Disk Management to verify the USB appears and note its size and file system. This determines which method to use. Make sure Windows or your OS recognizes the device. If not, try another port or cable first. Next, open an elevated command prompt so you can run diskpart and prepare to clear attributes. This is the first actionable step. You now perform the core removal steps. In Windows, run diskpart as admin, list disk, select the USB disk, then attributes disk clear read-only. This removes software-level locks. If a physical switch exists, toggle it and reinsert the drive. Hardware locks override software. When diskpart reports success, format or assign a drive letter to confirm write access. If that fails, carefully edit the registry key storage device policies or run the vendor's formatting utility. These address hidden write protect flags. You finish by validating and resolving remaining issues. After clearing protection, format the USB to your desired file system and copy a small file to test writes. If errors persist, run chkdsk to repair file system issues or use the maker's firmware tool to reset the controller. Make sure the drive isn't failing. Persistent read-only behavior often indicates hardware fault. If you run into trouble, a key tip: try a low-level format or a different OS to distinguish firmware lock from simple software write protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.